This is the vintage jewelry haul / auction preview for Wednesday and Friday, September 20th and 22nd at 7 p.m. Eastern on this channel. This is not vintage jewelry, but this will be coming up at auction. I thrifted this last week and I love it, but it doesn't fit in my kitchen. So that will be coming up at auction, starting at what I paid for it, which was a ridiculous price. Where I thrifted everything this week was so crazy. This one's coming up, the FAIENCE, beautiful, drilled. You could put a small chain through here with a bead already strung on it, and then it would just come out. You could do leather, you could do any number of things. You could use a head pin. It's beautiful. It's very large and old. This is coming up, the signed artist sterling marcasite and onyx brooch. There it is from the side. This is a beautiful old piece. Look at the detail of the marcasite. This one, I wanted more time to research it, but I'm going to let it go. I hope I don't regret it. It's a very mid-century beautiful piece. The Tiger Eye heavy sterling ring also could have used more time. We'll be letting that one go. The amber pendant. All of these things will be in the description below in the order that we are doing them with the starting bid. So if you want to put in a silent bid or an anonymous bid, you can text me at 917-809-7250. You will also get free alerts when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up when you text Hello Dawn to that number. But you can also text a silent bid for what you would like, and your bid will not increase unless you are bid against. Look at these stars here. This one, I think I actually still need more time to research because it has a good hallmark and it might be an important company. And so this, maybe it will show up on Friday. If not, it will be soon, but not this week. This one, gorgeous, the Sodalite mid-century Scandinavian sterling ring. This gorgeous large prasiolite marquee. Look how high that sits. That one's coming up this week. The 9-strand rice pearls with the beautiful clasp. These are really nice rice pearls. There are different qualities. These are great. This is a high-end necklace. Look at all the pearls. These beautiful studio earrings. They are signed. That is Jasper. Really well done. Studio artisan pieces. The stunning Plique-à-jour Cross. Let's see if I can show you the light through there. There's the light through. The wonderful vintage Banana Republic little, actually large CZ drops. There's the back. These are really nicely made. They are already vintage, but not long ago they were future vintage. The Faux turquoise slab necklace. If you've been into what Ralph Lauren is doing this year, I am embracing where fashion is going. We are about to have a really good moment, and this will work perfectly with the American country preppy thing that's coming back and will be good forever. Everything else is because we ran out of time last week because the rings went really long. So these are all the things from last week. And this is actually a crystal spoon rest that I thought I was keeping, but since I'm doing that one, I will do this one as well this week. And again, all the starting bids will be in the description below and below the auction. You can click the link in the description to see the auction, or you can text me at 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. Once again, look at this old pansy. It actually, that's the way it orients. This would make a beautiful pendant. I love this. Look at the detail. Old sterling. That will be coming up. All of the things I'm showing you now do have starting bids already from last week. These gorgeous in and out high, almost sugar loaf, but faceted, beautiful, really beautiful gemmy amethyst hoops. Oh, the abalone, this sterling abalone, this was actually missing last week because I thought I was keeping it. I will pass it on. I will do it. These, the little gold-filled and gemstone dangle, beautiful. Those are citrines, little golden pearls, the little dangles. The Art Deco, these are genuine Art Deco crystal with real pearls, rhodium plating, little bows. The blue topaz and sterling dangles or drops, they're really drops, lovely stones. I like the sort of rounded triangle there with the oval. It's a beautiful combination. The artist signed amethyst cabs, more beautiful. Look at that. That's like the color of grape. Beautiful old amethyst cabs. They are signed by the artist. The signed Metropolitan Museum of Art Napoleonic bee earrings. Some of my favorites. The beautiful Sajen. Look, that is a barrel cut garnet. Look at what they did. Do you see that? Hold on. See the barrel cutting? Fancy, fancy cut with Cinnabar. Gorgeous vintage Sajen. The Elliot and turquoise. Oh, look at that color. Beautiful dangles. The Niello Locket. Vintage, signed in the back, sterling with more detail. This has the most unique opening I have ever seen. There it is open. That's what fresh Niello looks like. Look at it, perfectly preserved because it was on the inside. And also, I love the pattern in here, I have to say. This is wonderful, most likely British. Then we have the big 1970s hoops. Those are coming up. I love the little detail right there. Gorgeous. Very authentic when you wear your suede blazers and your boots and your vintage Coach bags. The Milfiori, I like this one. It has its original chain, the shot bead chain. That is also sterling, made in Italy. And again, like stained glass, you see the light through there. And also it has earrings that went with it. My supervisor has arrived. Those are beautiful. And then finally, this is probably my second favorite from that trip. This is, look at the way they chose this stone. Look at that. This is very Art Nouveau looking to me. It is dated 2002, but it has a very 1970s, does Art Nouveau vibe. It is signed by the artist and dated, and it says Azurmalachite 2002, or it says Azurite Malachite. Stunning, on a beautiful chain, very large bail. That one is also a lifetime purchase, something that when you acquire it, you can really stop looking for other things. And that's it. See you at the auction. Thank you for watching. Bye.